Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can obtain a so-called dominance score using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. This dominance score can be used as an effect size measure and is actually simply the proportion of scores that were above the hypothesized median minus the proportion that were below, and can be used with a one sample Wilcoxon signed rank test, for example. The stikpetE add-in is available at my GitHub account. So if you go to my GitHub, here's the link. Then once you downloaded the file, you can open up Excel, go for File, Options, Add-ins, and click on Go, and then browse for the downloaded file. That should give you access to a lot of additional functions, and one of them is ES dominance. This function can be used with both numeric data, as for example shown in column A, or non-numeric data. However, please specify the data as a vertical range and also do not use entire column A, for example, but really say, for example, A2 till, and in my case, A56. If the data is non-numerical, also provide the levels. So for example, here I've listed the different categories in proper order. You can set the hypothesized median. If you don't do that, it will actually use the mid-range, so the maximum plus minimum divided by 2. And you can specify if you want to see the dominant score or a version that's like a VDA measure. It will return a 2 by 2 array or cells. Range, if you will, one showing the hypothesized median use. So here I'm using the numeric data, and once I hit enter, I actually get all of this. And of course, the requested effect size, in this case, the dominance. If I use the VDA, I get the slightly adjusted VDA-like measure. For the non-numerical data, similar, I'll simply list the data and then the levels. I'm using a semicolon to separate my parameters. On your version of Excel, that might be with a comma. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.